It feels like so much pressure around this sort of stuff, you know? You have to get it right, you have to have matching outfits. We don't have matching outfits. Oh, what's that? Can't believe this is the beach that's just across from our house, literally. Hello, welcome back. Well, I decided I'd vlog today because we're doing like a family photo shoot. We're totally late, you know, toddler life and toddler and baby life. This will be probably the first video. Oh God, the light, sorry. This will probably be the first video after the birth vlog. So if you watch the birth vlog, thank you so much. Yeah, we're kind of getting back into the, oh, I'm all out of focus. Oh my goodness, see, this is my life. We're kind of getting back into the swing of things. Tilly is now like coming up to 4 months old. Just putting my shoes on. Right, I'm gonna get everything in the car, then I'll just explain what's going on a bit more. Okay, wow, it is too bright in the car. We might have to do this at a later date. God, it's so sunny, but it's freezing cold. Definitely winter in Australia. And we're here. This is the studio. Oh, you don't look like you're ready to go, little one. Wow, so this is the studio. This is pretty cool. It's got it all set up. It's got all our blankets and there's probably like props in there. Oh, this is so cute. I'm so anxious about this. I don't know why. It just gives me serious anxiety and I didn't know what outfits. Brought some outfit like choices. It feels like so much pressure around this sort of stuff, you know? You have to get it right. You have to have matching outfits. We don't have matching outfits. So I borrowed this dress from a friend. This is not ideal, but you know. So we're doing Tilly first. Oh, what's that? There we go, and that's how it's done. Okay. Good girl. You ready, Lex? I want that big smile. And we're home. Well, I say we. I'm home because the girls fell asleep in the car. So Tom has just taken them for a little drive just to keep them asleep, really. You're down here and let's have a little chat, a little catch up. Oh my goodness. I felt really stressed out about that photo shoot, but it was actually really good. It was really nice. Yeah. Ellen made us feel like really comfortable and she was so great with the kids. Oh yeah, it was, yeah, if you're in the Victor Harbour area or like the Fleurier area, definitely recommend her, she's brilliant. But we will see what the final product looks like. If I get a couple of those photos before this vlog goes out, I'll drop them in. Home. When Tom gets back, we're going to just sit down and recalibrate what we need to do because we've just got a to-do list that's just ridiculous. I mean, like, yeah, it's just got a bit out of hand. We're so busy. By the time this goes out, you'll probably know from our Instagram that we are starting a new thing with the business. We are doing blacksmith experiences. So you can come into the workshop and have a go for yourself. We've been basically trying to set this up and doing all the back end and paperwork and all the promo and all this sort of stuff for quite some time now. Insurance was definitely tricky, but we got that sorted. We've had a couple of demos. Tom's done a couple of demos to see kind of how it's going to work, what the workflow is, what the process is, and you know, things he needs to sort out. So that's very exciting. Can't wait until we start that. And when we get our first booking, I am so excited. Oh my goodness. It's going to be just amazing to see it come to life because we've been working so hard on it for so long. And yeah, so if you by any chance are in the area and you want to book a blacksmithing experience with Tom, link will be in the description. Shameless plug there, I know, and most of the people watching this are nowhere near this area, but just in case you are. Anyway, I'm gonna have some lunch. I'm just having some homemade chicken pie we made last night for my lunch. Just trying to tick off a few things off the list. I've just got so much clearing up to do, you know. There's so much sorting out and just loads of, you know, I just feel like my brain is just cluttered. There's clutter everywhere and it's cluttering my brain, so I just want to get a bit more organised, on top of obviously trying to tick off all the things we need to do for the business.
Hard to understand our toddlers at the best of times. That is the understatement of the year, which is why I am so happy to have Gemma and Sophia, behaviour, wellbeing and mental health specialists who support parents with their toddlers, teens and in between. Woo! Oh my god, I love it. That's so good. Thank you girls, thank you so much for coming in. Cover emotional literacy, boundaries with consistency.
Yes. So they're going through the same emotions, but their view of the world is slightly different to an adult's view of the world.
I'm currently listening to this podcast. Such a good podcast. Anyway. Oh, you're back! Tilly's still sleeping. Oh, that's very cute. Sorry, I'm just unboxing some unboxing, what do I sound like, honestly? Just doing some post. I got some Velcro because I want to do some arts and crafts stuff for Lexi. I'll go into that another time. This is just a gift for a friend that's having a baby very soon. Obviously wipes. Let's see what the other one is. Apparently all the post turns up at the same time. Oh, this is another gift as well. So I'm gonna keep that. I'm gonna show you that one, just in case they watch this. How was the bluff?
Yeah, it's nice.
Nice. Look, this is what I mean by absolute chaos. I mean, just look at our house. I can't deal with the chaos. I just had some pie for lunch. It was delicious.
Good.
What are you having? Some noodles.
Yeah.
Fair enough.
Don't really need to eat a huge lunch. I haven't done anything. Just been hanging out.
Hanging out. Let's take your white t-shirt off before it gets like completely ruined.
Not in front of the internet.
No, well not yet. Obviously not.
It's perfect.
Yeah.
Headphones?
Headphones. I don't know where your headphones are, Marie. I don't know where anything is in this house anymore. I just feel like we need to spend like a week decluttering everything. This is what happens when you have a toddler and a baby. You just have no time. I mean, I've just got washing that's been there for like 2 days now. Ugh, just honestly chaos. This podcast that I'm listening to is actually really relevant at the moment because it's all about toddlers and big emotions and dealing with that sort of stuff. We are definitely in the toddler big emotion phase, which is proving quite tricky to negotiate. Yeah, as you'll probably see on here, because I don't like to hide anything, I like to show how it really is. I'm definitely not one of those channels who just pretends that their kids never has a meltdown, because there are channels out there that I've seen and I'm just like, really? They have their toddler on camera and they've never once shown any kind of actual reality, and it kind of annoys me a little bit because I'm like, that's not real life and you're just making it seem like everything is amazing. But you know what, this stage can be quite tricky, and she's trying to communicate with us and she can't, and we're quite lucky because Lexi is very articulate, and I will hopefully over the coming like months you'll see that she's only just turned 2 and she really can explain what she wants or speak quite a lot. She has a very big vocab, but still obviously she just has massive emotions, and you know, she'll still throw things across the room. She's throwing things at Tilly sometimes, and it's just, it can be tricky to deal with, you know. But yeah, I'm always trying to absorb information and just learn as much as I can, basically, because I'm doing this for the first time. I don't know how to deal with a toddler, and I've never had a toddler before. So I'm just listening to podcasts, and this one in particular, Ashley James, she's just brilliant, and I've listened to her throughout, well, since she started her podcast and throughout having babies, and I've just related to it so much, and it's just, yeah, it's a fantastic podcast. So if there's any mums watching this, you should definitely listen to her podcast.
It's been a while since she's fallen asleep in the car like this.
Yeah, I know, it's been a very long time, hasn't it? You're gonna pass me that bowl now, aren't you? Yeah, thought so. It's a glorious day.
There you go, in a bugger off.
Bugger off. Yeah. It is glorious, isn't it? Yeah, she is, and I really need to wake her up because it's been too long. Oh, little Alexis.
She startled herself awake, so
Did she?
I don't think she was ready to wake up.
Wasn't ready. No, yawning, big yawns, little one. Oh. I have to head to the post office to post this to my friends because it's their little boy's birthday, little Harrison. So I'm going to post that, but I have to do a blooming, you know, declaration, a customs form for that. So, and then package it up and put the address on and everything. So I'm just going to pop down the beach for a little walk with the girls and Tom for 5 minutes because he was like, you go to the post office, I'll take the girls to the beach. And I just was like, I don't want to do that. I don't want to miss out on a little bit of family time. So I'm just going to quickly walk down to the beach for 5 minutes. Hey, little miss. What's this one doing? Jumping in your welly boots, eh? Yeah. Tom's got his signature hat on.
Signature?
Signature.
Signature.
Yeah, your signature hat, you know.
It said signature.
I didn't.
I don't know what language you're trying
I
to
don't know what you're talking about. Hold a hand. Oh, I can't hold Tilly in the pram and the camera, so we'll have to put the camera down. What are you doing? Twitching.
You can film and hold it.
Okay.
Happy now.
This one.
Someone's alarm going off.
I've totally put my Christmas jumper on. It's really sunny and beautiful, but it's not very warm. I love that we live so close to the sea. It's so amazing. So lucky. Oh dear. Can't believe this is the beach that's just across from our house, literally. Like, how lucky are we? That's the bluff up there. I've been up there a few times in vlogs, so if you've seen a few videos on my channel, you'll know what the view looks like from up there. It's pretty cool. This is just beautiful. Tom, I'm just trying to think if I've even been down the beach since Tilly was born. I don't think I have. Yeah, we've done like quite a few walks, but I haven't been physically walked on the beach, you know, actually on the sand since Tilly was born.
Oh, you're chasing me with the camera, are you?
What's that?
Yeah. Yeah, well there you go. Mummy pushed the pram so me and Lex can find the magic shells.
Magic shells. Trying to find magic shells.
Grab it.
Tilly's just hanging out. This is like the best thing, by the way. I don't know. It's a bit bright, I can't really show, but this is like a kind of just capsule cover I got from a company called Copper Pearl, and it's just so brilliant. We do actually normally put it over this, so it kind of creates like a canopy in there. But yeah, it's such a good cover, and everyone always asks about it. They're always like, oh, that's such a great idea, having a little canopy, little cover. Oh.
Alright, just watch it, just watch it. You're alright.
Just like, oh no, the sea's coming in.
Wave. You gotta watch them.
Gotta watch
Nothing's
the...
gonna happen. This one's getting wet feet. Oh, it's coming up.
The tide coming in.
Might be.
What have you just found?
A rock. Apparently we need the rock.
Apparently we need that rock, yeah.
There's a tooth, which is some kind of animal tooth. Could be anything. And some cool shells.
You got a big one, hey? It's a big shell.
Alexis.
You watch those waves.
Alexis.
All the shells we collect. Every time we come down together.
Lexi's reversing. We wrote her name in her boots for daycare. Apparently they're see-through.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, paddleboarding, it'd be beautiful, wouldn't it? Tom bought a paddleboard recently. He got like a second-hand one off Marketplace. Didn't it have a hole in it or something?
Yeah,
A slow puncture. But I don't know, we can fix it. He'll be alright.
Yeah.
Right, I should probably get moving and get back to the house to go and sort out the post, otherwise poor little Harrison's not getting his birthday present on time. He's got to get all the way to the UK. One of the things that happens when you're a parent with toddlers, etc., you get very overwhelmed with all the stuff. So we just decided we were just going to do some clearing out in the garage, because we literally had like a million boxes. We just keep chucking boxes in here and it's chaos. We're doing pretty well. No, we basically just need to put all of... Where have all the boxes gone that we're keeping? So they're all the ones, these are all the good ones for packing, right?
Yeah, they're all kind of stacked together, so I'll trap them all in there.
Perfect. Are you enjoying your dinner, little Lexi? We had some yummy Mexican.
Bounce you back up. Get back up there. There we go.
Titties just, oh, there we go.
Slid down. Now she's back up.
It's all
Eating a lot of bread there, Bubba. How about we eat some chicken?
She totally doesn't want to eat any chicken, does she? Just wants to eat bread.
Given her the option, have we?
I have a question. Oh, just put you down for a second without putting my sleeves in my dinner. I have a question for you guys. Ooh. What sort of length do you like to watch if you're watching like a home vlog? Do you like it to be like about, well, like 15 minutes, or do you like it kind of be like half an hour, 40 minutes? Because whenever I watch that sort of content on YouTube, I kind of like a 40-minute kind of cozy home vlog, you know, behind the scenes, because it's just chilled. I can just put it on while I'm like in the bath, or, you know, just having a shower and then put my makeup on. I just kind of like to have those things on in the background. I find it quite comforting. So I was just curious what you guys think. So I would love if you could just drop a comment and tell me what sort of time. Oh my goodness me, baby brain can't even talk. Like what sort of duration, that's the word I'm looking for. And my battery is flashing at me. So on that note, thanks for watching guys, and we will see you really soon.
Please.